Alright, so in this video, I thought I'd pick up from where I left off in the last video and continue to show you the gesture-based menu with button visits. So, as I said prior, to open the menu, you just simply open your hands and look at it. So it really doesn't matter how you get there. You know, the simple act would be is to your hands would be closed and then you open and look at them, right? So it's kind of neat because like you're basically doing what you need to do. You know, what's going on, yada yada yada. Never comes up, right? Simply look at your hand, and that's how you get to your main menu. I think one of the things I will add to this, now that I'm thinking about it, is probably a slight delay on it. So maybe you have to look at your hand for a little bit, and then it comes up, just to kind of add that extra layer of, okay, are you sure you want to open up this menu? Uh, so yeah, so some of the things that I did fix from last time, if we open up the changelog, so we fixed the render order for the right flamethrower, the render order for the text debug panel, laser point was toggle between fire and earth. All right, so this is what we're looking at here. So first thing is, yeah, before I even get into that, let's just take a look at these guys real quick. All right, so we've got a mirror, right? So the cool part about the mirror is that on the last video, like I just really hated the way the elbows were looking. Like it was just really horrible. Every time you went to go do the menu gesture, the elbow was just doing some weird twisting. So like I really hated that and it was bothering me. So I decided to fix it for this video. And one of the ways I had to do that was by having a mirror. So I can kind of see how the arms looked, as you move about. Now, granted, you won't be looking at yourself in the game, but, your opponents will. So, just to address that early on, I went ahead and fixed that. Now, the body that you're looking at here is very much a proxy body, just enough so that way I can get the bare bones mechanics working. There's a lot that I do have planned for this game, and with each video, you're always going to see like an update, basically. So yeah. Anyway, that's the mirror. Let's see, the FSM inspector. That button works there. Now the Playmaker FSM Inspector is basically a tool that I built for myself. I am using Playmaker to do some of the grunt work of a couple of things, but it's not all Playmaker. Uh, it's just the way I'm looking at it is like my buddy said it best. Playmaker is just like another IDE. It's running C# scripts, and so once you realize that, like you can create your own actions and then use Playmaker to fire them off in a state machine, right? So that's how I'm using it now. The bad part about using Playmaker when you're doing VR production is that you can't see the state changes within your headset. So I built this tool right here as a means to see the state changes. Now I'm not going to go over the details of this guy just because there's probably not an interest for it. I'm trying to do a thing here, but yes, I'm probably not going to go over this guy like at all. But if there is interest in it, shoot me a comment, give me a like, whatever, let me know, and I'll go over it. But if not, we'll just move on. All right, so let's see the render order on the panels here. Yeah, because the text was just showing up weird over the player body, so I went ahead and addressed that. And then we fixed the laser points there, so now we can interact here with our UI there. Check that out. Sort of neat, right? We'll get to those later.